Brianna's gonna pretend to be a retarded person. Oh, what deeds can come from this? I do not know. Do you have a name for your retarded person?
I call it the wave.
No, for your person has to have a name.
Oh, Pete.
Okay. Pete, the retarded person. Does Pete say anything?